Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is using Acon Digital Acoustica for music production. This gives me a number of specialist restoration tools that are very handy indeed. And using the standalone or ARA version in conjunction with my main DAW gives me a completely dedicated environment for audio fixes. And today I'm taking a vocal that was completely broken and has given me something that sounds so much better.
Where you thought you were winning on me, it's only now that I'm open to see. The way you thought you were winning on me, it's only now that I'm open to see.
So I'm working on a duplicate of my vocal, and all I have to do is pull Acoustica straight onto my vent to get the ARA version, and I'm using denoise 2 to get rid of this very noticeable preamp noise. So this vocal has been sent to me with the reverb printed as well. So what's really impressive about denoise 2 is it can avoid or ignore the reverb tail but still get rid of the noise underneath it.
The way you thought you were winning on me, the way you thought you were winning on me.
And on the subject of reverb, I'll go back into enhancement and go to deverberate.
The way you thought you were winning on me, the way you thought you were winning on me.
There's also an early reflections mode as well. However, for me, I'm just getting rid of this late tail, so I'll process that. The whole recording is also very hot and it does touch full scale every now and then, but for that I have declip 2. For symmetrical distortion such as digital clipping, I can link the thresholds so that they move together like this.
The way you thought you were winning on me, it's only now that I'm open to see.
So declip 2 can help to reconstruct anything that happened above full scale. I also have this rather hideous pop going on.
That I'm open to see.
Luckily, I have deplosive dialogue, and this is so good in this case I don't even need to adjust any of the controls.
That I'm open to see. That I'm open to see.
But in Acoustica I can go one better. I can use the spectral editing facility in Acoustica ARA. I'm going to make sure that I have time and frequency selection enabled. And using the retouch tool just here, I can now make a selection around the problem audio. And I get a green line. Now this is the reference signal indicator. And I can move that to some undamaged audio, let go, hit the arrow, and the fix is done. So I can see that there's still some remnants there. Let's take a listen.
That I'm open to see. That I'm open to see.
And with Acoustica, I also get all of these tools in AAX, AU or VST3 versions. So I'm going to use multiband dynamics to reduce a bit of harshness and also do a little bit of de-essing.
It's only now that I'm open to see. It's only now that I'm open to see.
So let's listen to our damaged version compared with the nice new shiny repaired version achieved using Acoustica and other tools from Acon Digital.
The way you thought you were winning on me, it's only now that I'm open to see. The way you thought you were winning on me, it's only now that I'm open to see.
So a huge improvement there using Acoustica as a dedicated environment for restoration that also gives me access to a ton of specialist tools that let me achieve fixes that I simply could not do using my main DAW. And with a little help from Verberate 2, the final result sounds very convincing indeed.
That every road always has its thorn, but yours have been growing from the day you were born.
To find out more about Acoustica from Acon Digital for music production, head over to the Production Expert blog.